Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to write an essay using ChatGPT. This can be a collaborative and efficient process, so let's dive right in with these easy step-by-step instructions. 1. Understand the essay requirements. First, you need to get clear on the basics. Clearly define the topic or prompt of the essay. Know the required word count or page length. Understand the structure, introduction, body paragraphs, conclusion. Be aware of any specific formatting guidelines, APA, MLA, Chicago, etc. 2. Research and outline. Before you start writing, do a bit of prep work. Gather necessary information from reliable sources. Create an outline with key points and arguments for each section. 3. Using ChatGPT to draft the essay now, let's use ChatGPT to help draft the essay. Start with a hook, introduce the topic, and state the thesis. Example prompt. Can you help me write an introduction for an essay on topic? Develop each paragraph with a topic sentence, supporting details, and a concluding sentence. Can you help me write a body paragraph about specific point in my essay on topic? Summarize the main points and restate the thesis in a new way. Example prompt. Can you help me write a conclusion for my essay on topic? 4. Revising and editing. Once you have your draft, it's time to polish it up. Go through the generated content, ensure coherence, and fill any gaps. Make necessary edits for clarity, grammar, and style. Ensure all sources are properly cited according to the required format.